Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a different video today. It's not a full set. I'm going to show you how I remove my clients' previous designs, like their acrylic designs, and how I prep and remove any lifting. I've been holding out for one for a while now because I was hoping to do it on Lauren anyway, because Lauren is a known lifter. None of my clients really lift except Lauren. But the last couple of times she hasn't had any lifting, but this time she went just over 4 weeks and we had a bit of lifting. She said she works in Next and she's always building furniture, so she was like, I'm even surprised these are even on. So I'm glad there was a little bit of lifting, as weird as that sounds. So here I'm just using this safety bit. I got it from Now.Supplies, I think. I'll put everything in the description box. It's really blunt, so I've kind of like filed and filed and filed, so it's mega blunt. So I'm just removing the bulk with that. I've got this new, you saw it at the start, this new what's it called, a dust, what's it called, you know, that collects dust. I can't even think of the name for it. Oh my god, how bad is that? Dust collector. There we go, that will do. It might be something else, but that will do. And the amazing Liz Guild sent it to me. She's already got a few, and she kindly sent me this one because I literally said the other day, I've had enough of the dust. I need to get a duster. Where can I get one? And she was like, girl, I got you one and you're gonna love it. So she is an absolute gem for sending me this, because I barely had any dust on me. Usually I'm absolutely covered, like covered. And you do get these little you know, like those blue masks, you get those that you put over the top, but I found kitchen towel just works just as good and it covers the whole thing. So yeah, I'll kind of switch between the two, but yeah, the kitchen towel was just as good. So that's why it looks a bit weird, like 3D sort of thing. But yeah, I'm removing all the bulk here, and then I'll come back and show you how I remove the lifting. So then with that same safety bit, but I have it on setting probably about two or three, and what I do is I just file just before where the lifting is, just to make it really thin, and then the lifting that we have just literally pops off. There's no other way of explaining it or telling you. You'll see on the pointer finger she has quite a big bit of lifting, so you'll see properly how I do it. But I kind of like just file just before it, and then if you just file just on it, it just pops off, literally pops off, and you haven't even touched the natural now, so don't even worry about that. Oh, this one, not the pointer. So look here, I'm just filing just before it and then on it, just before it, and then on it, and boom, off. And then if you just keep filing on it, it will just come off. So honestly, it's the best thing to do, because you can sit there and file with a hand file for so long and they're just not coming off. Or if you use cuticle nippers, you're just making, oh, I've done it so many times before I had an e-file. I used to just keep nipping at it, and I'd lift more and more of the nail, and then the whole nail would come off, and I'd be like, great, brilliant. So yeah, this is just the best way for me. So again, with that same safety bit, I'm just gonna remove some of the length. So I'm just literally hardly taking any off really. She didn't want a lot off, so I'm just making it dead straight. And then I come in with my hand file. The clear layer that I put originally down is still quite strong and thick, so I didn't have to worry about them just snapping off. If you do file down mega thin, be really careful doing this point, because they will just snap. So yeah, this is where I'm just filing them, getting into a nice shape, ready for our design to go on top. So I forgot to mention that this whole video is in real time. I haven't sped any parts up, haven't slowed any parts down. It's been all in real time for you all, because I know that's what you all like. So now I'm just coming in with my cuticle pusher and pushing back all her cuticles. So now I'm going to come in with my cuticle bit and remove all the dead cuticle and skin from off her nail. This is my favourite part, but to be fair, my cuticle bit that I absolutely love and is the best, I don't know what I've done with it. I've lost it. Don't even ask. I think I must have like put it up with some kitchen towel and just chucked it away, but I'm devastated. So I'm going to have to order another one, because this one just ain't cutting it. It does the job, but it just ain't for me. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then I come in with my sanding man, and I just really lightly on setting 2 or 3, I think it's usually 2, I have it on really low, and I'll just remove the surface shine and blend the existing acrylic into the natural nail. I like doing this part. I don't know why. I think it's because I know all the prep is done and we're ready for our application. Well, I infill the back growth with clear acrylic, obviously, ready for, oh, here he is. You haven't heard Merlin for a little while, so he just thought he'd say hi. Merlin, you still squawking? He's not really talking yet either. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm trying. I can hear him practicing, but he's not having it. He must do it when I leave the room. I hear him practicing good baby though. I do hear that, but he just doesn't say it right to me. Merlin. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of the video. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.